Hi everyone, welcome to 10th class students for math class. Today I am going to explain solvation, the pair of linear equation two variables లో ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్లో త్రీ మెథడ్స్ ఈరోజు మనం ఈ క్లాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ x ప్లస్ 3y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6 ద గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్, 2x మైనస్ 3y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 12. దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ మనం సాల్వ్ దెమ్ గ్రాఫికల్లీ మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. గ్రాఫికల్ను సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ముందు ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ 1 2 అనుకోండి. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్, దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ద సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే, సో ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ మనం y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు mx ప్లస్ c రూపంలో చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, y వేరియబుల్గా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. 3y, టేక్ ద రైట్ సైడ్ ప్లస్ x, ఇట్ బికమ్స్ మైనస్ x ప్లస్ 6. y is equal to minus x plus 6 by 3. So this is the table you have to frame it. y is equal to minus x plus 6 by 3. So you have to put in the x place 0, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 ante 2 vastundi. Then you have to substitute in the place of x is equal to 6. Minus 6 plus 6 ante 0 by 3 is equal to 0. This is the first equation, graphical table. And then second equation, this is the second equation. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Take 12 right left side, it becomes minus 12. Take right side, it becomes plus 3y. So y is equal 2x minus 12 by 3. You have to write the table x and y. You have to give in this equation 0. Minus 12 by 3 means minus 4. If you give the 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 12, minus 6 by 3 ante minus 2. Okay, this is the graphical table. Then you draw the x-axis, scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This is the must. Next you draw the lines x and x dash, y dash. So I draw this like this one. I draw with the pen for visible. This is the x, this is the x dash. Then y dash, the positive values and negative values. Then you have to take the first table. X you have to give the 0 and y will get 2. Here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Here you put the name a 0 comma 2, and then second value 6 0. The 6 comma y-axis 0. This name is called the b, 6 comma 0. So you join these 2 points like this. So this is the AB. Then second equation, x 0, y minus 4, 0 to minus 4, 0 comma minus 4, say this is the P. Then second one, 3 minus 2, 3 ki minus plus 3, y value minus 2. Okay, join these 2 points PQ. You say this one is the Q3 comma minus 2. Then join 2 points, intersect at B, 6 comma 0. Okay, we observe that there is a point B 6 comma 0 common to both lines AB and PQ. Therefore, the solution of pair of linear equation is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. That is the given pair of equation, the constant. Okay, we had observe and draw the graph book. One more problem. Next, I am going to explain this same equation, the elimination method, substitution method, second one. Substitution method, given equation this one. X plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Substitution method means you have to convert any variable to other variable. ఇచ్చిన వేరియబుల్స్ రెండు ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి ఒక వేరియబుల్ని మార్చుకోవాలి మనం ఇక్కడ. 2x is equal to minus 3y, take right side, it become plus 3y plus 12. X is equal to 3y plus 12 by 2. Substitute this value of x in equation 1. ఈ xని విలువని yలో మార్చుకున్నాం కనుక you have to substitute in the equation 1. What is the equation 1? X plus 3y is equal to 6. So x value 3y plus 12 by 2 plus 3y is equal to 6. Take the LCM. 3y plus 12 plus 2 into 3y is equal to 6. Take the cross multiplication. 3y plus 12, 2 3s are 6y, 6 2s are 12. So 3y plus 6y, 9y plus 12 is equal to 12. 9y is equal to, take the right side, minus 12 is goes to 0. Y is equal to 0 by 9 is equal to 0. The substitute y value in equation 3. Y విలువని తీసుకెళ్ళి equation 3 అంటే x is equal to 3y plus 12 by 2 ని equation 3 అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి x is equal to 3 into 0 plus 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. This is the substitution method. Then we are going to learn elimination method. This is called the elimination method. X plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Elimination method means the కోఫిషియంట్స్ ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయా లేవో చూసుకోవాలి మనం. ఇక్కడ కోఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉంది ఎక్స్కి, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ కోఫిషియంట్ 3 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది. కనుక సింబల్స్ కూడా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి కనుక ఈ 2కి ఈక్వేషన్ యాడ్ చేస్తే y క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. x ప్లస్ 2x 3x is equal to 6 plus 12 ఎంత అవుతుంది 18. x is equal to 18 by 3. 3 will be cancelled 6 times. x is equal to 3. Then these values substitute in equation 1. So substituting this value x in equation 1. This is the first equation. 6 x means 6 plus 3y is equal to 6. 3y is equal to 6 minus 6. 3y is equal to 0. y is equal to 0 by 3 అంటే 0. Therefore x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. Elimination మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేస్తే వేరియబుల్స్ వాల్యూస్ ఎలా వచ్చినండి 6, 0. And substitution method also 6, 0. And the in graphical method also 6, 0. 3 methods లో సాల్వ్ చేసినా కానీ మనకి ఒకే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. So you have to take the sum two equations, solve the graphically